Hey everyone, today I'll be bringing you 3 different Mother's Day designs that you can create for the weekend. These are simple cupcakes that we're using, and I have added some buttercream using a Russian piping tip, add in some edible gold dragées and Maltesers that have been covered with edible luster dust. Pop your cupcakes into the fridge to set, and then take a giant styrofoam ball that fits into a basket and add 2 toothpicks per cupcake. Now that your cupcakes are nice and set, you can press them into the toothpicks. I like to start at the bottom just to keep the ball steady, then work my way up to the middle. In between the spaces, you can fill in with tissue paper. I've got regular white tissue paper, giving it a bit of a scrunch and just setting it in. It also helps to create a more stable ball as well, so you can add some at the base if it's moving around to fill in the space. In between the flowers, I am also adding some Ferrero Rochers for some extra pop of gold colour, and buttercream leaves to finish it all off. For the second cake design, we are going to be creating some buttercream roses on marshmallows. So cut a marshmallow diagonally with the skinny side facing up. I have some toothpicks or skewers here, and then using a 104 tip to create the petals, starting really tight at the top, and then as I work my way down, I spread them out and I make them even longer. Allow those to set completely in your freezer if you can, and then decorate your cake. This is buttercream, and I've loaded my little spatula with 2 different colors of buttercream, just swiping them from the base up to the top. While it's still fresh, you can add on some little sprinkles so they stick, some larger ones as well, and then lastly your flowers. If you want them to be poking up really tall off your cake, you can leave them on the skewers and just stick the skewers directly in, or you can remove them and then stick them on with buttercream instead. For extra height, just pipe a nice tall dollop of buttercream. You can add some gold dragées in the middle as well, and maybe a bit of gold leaf just to tie it all in. And your second Mother's Day cake design is complete. For the third and final design, we're going in with another floral technique. This is like a little chrysanthemum. I have a dollop of buttercream on a flower nail that's sitting on baking paper. I'm starting really tight in the middle, and then as I work my way out, I make them slightly longer, and I start fanning them out so they're angled a little bit more to open up the flower rather than piping straight up. Pop those into the freezer just to set, and then onto a cake, pipe little strings of green for the stems, and then some leaves right underneath to tie it all together. And that's it. Those are 3 super fun and easy Mother's Day cake designs that you can create this weekend.